Hello everyone! Today we have a hands-on tutorial on shared VPCs in Google Cloud coming your way. Let's dive in and see their setup as well as their practical applications. A quick recap of the concept. We create a single Google Cloud VPC, but then use that same network in multiple service projects. For example, we're running a Compute Engine service in one project and using Kubernetes Engine in another project. The advantage is that we're spared from creating individual VPCs and avoid duplicating network management work. This is essentially using our Project A VPC across these two service projects. Let's get started, shall we? Here we are in a brand new project. By heading to the VPC Networks page, we realize we need to activate the Compute Engine API before using VPCs. Let's do that now. After enabling the API, we return to the VPC Networks page to see our default VPC ready to go, equipped with several subnets across multiple regions. We're going to visit the Shared VPC page next, where we'll set up a Shared VPC and appoint this as the host project. Before we proceed, a quick check to ensure we possess the necessary permissions for our user. Simply plug the permissions into Google Cloud's Roles page to discern which roles have this access. Once our user has the required permissions, we'll proceed. Our options now are either choosing the subnets we wish to share from our default VPC or simply sharing them all. We'll stick with the default option for now. Even beyond creating the shared VPC, we have the ability to attach and manage other projects. This just makes handling permissions easier and quicker. Do bear in mind, if another project is to be included in this VPC, it must have the Compute Engine API enabled. Activating that on another screen is our next move. Alright, we're all set there and our attachment is ready to go. Let's now pop into our secondary project. Look at those shared subnets all set up. It's time to create a VM using this network. We'll stick to defaults and simply select that subnet for the instance. Voila, that's our VM. We've created a central VPC network that can be used by all resource-hungry projects. Plus, we've established a centralized control point for things like network firewalls and other network engineering. We'll keep an eye on the comment section for any questions. Thank you for joining us today, and please enjoy it responsibly.